Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I said that so weirdly. Today I'm going to be doing a I spent on Pretty Little Thing. I'm going to be seeing the quality. It's basically a Pretty Little Thing haul where I bought way too many clothes. You guys probably already know I absolutely love Pretty Little Thing, so this was definitely an excuse to buy some stuff and try it all out. I've literally been obsessed with watching these videos because I love hauls and I love huge hauls, so I thought I need to do one myself. Everything will be linked below that I have bought in case you guys see it and think it's super cute. Basically how this video works is I'm going to go through it all, I'll put it on a try on clip and let you know my opinion in the video. So yeah, let's just start going. I'm so excited. I'm going to try and find all the accessories first. I remember I got like 2 necklaces and some earrings, I think. So earrings, you guys will probably hate these, but a while ago I got some silver and gold like huge hoops and I lost the gold ones, and these were literally like £2 or £3, so I thought I was really missing out on them, so I was just like, look, I'm gonna buy some. Although I'm not sure about this gold colour. The actual gold is kind of not the nicest colour, it's quite yellow, but they're just hoops, so I can't really rate these that much. Like, woo, hoops. Oh my god, those are huge. Okay, maybe those are too big. They are ridiculously huge. I don't know, we'll see. I can make them work. But yeah, that's just basic. Anyway, so the first necklace I got, I've actually seen a few people with, but I just thought this would be such a good layering necklace. So it's kind of huge. It's this dragon, and I'll put a little close up so you guys can see it, but it's so cool. I just thought this would look so cool. Look, with loads of necklaces layered up, I think that would look so good, and I kind of needed some more gold necklaces, so I think that is definitely a plus from me. It was probably like, I think it was £5 or £6 for a necklace. That's so good. Obviously it's going to probably tarnish, but just don't go mortar. And then this one is the silver coin pendant chain choker, one size. So I thought this would look so good with a white turtleneck like top, and this and some other silver necklaces, because this is more of like a choker, so I thought if it goes just below the turtleneck it would look so cool. Okay, wow, that is actually very chokery. Oh, right. Right. I feel like with loads of necklaces, if it's kind of the statement of my outfit, that could look cool. I'll try style it and then I'll probably let you guys know on my Instagram. Check out my Instagram, by the way. It's Oliviagrace.13. My only complaint about this is because it's secured onto this one, all of this is kind of useless, because if you tied it up the biggest, the necklace wouldn't actually sit right, if that makes sense. It'd be way to the side. That's my only complaint. But it's actually a pretty cool necklace. I'm really happy with both of these actually. They'll fit right in my jewelry box. Okay, I'm gonna dig in. The first thing is quite out there. You guys probably know I love leopard print. I love like garish clothing, and this was the definition of garish, honestly. So I also love like backless tops and like halter necks, because I think I don't know, does anyone else think like backs are attractive? Just me? Okay. The pink satin leopard halter neck crop top. It's literally a leopard print backless crop top, but you know what, I think for like a party or something with a cool little skirt, that could be so cool. Like, bam! I mean, it's definitely not everyone's style, but so this is the first top. I think it's actually really cute. I don't know. I absolutely love that the whole back is out. It's obviously very, very cropped, but there's no like side boob or anything. The material isn't see-through, super comfortable. The only thing is I just need to think about how much I'll actually wear it, although I think it's actually so cool. I don't know. You guys will probably all hate it. For actual quality wise, you know, a 10 out of 10, or just a yes, maybe not 10 out of 10. Okay, I got this for summer because me and my lovely bestie Lily are going away on holiday. Hopefully, we still need to book it actually. I literally love like palm print, and this hopefully will be so nice on. I'm really, really hoping. What? Guys, I'm so confused. What the heck? I'm literally gonna have to look on the website. I'm honestly so confused. Why is it so small? Is it just tiny? I think I get it. So you tie this like that. Okay, I get it. So look, there you go. That makes more sense. So it comes as like a tiny bandeau, and then this little fabric, oh god, this fabric actually like covers up the top. Although the sleeves definitely do not look like this on the model. I was really hoping for this to be so cute, and I'm not sure on it. Maybe it'll be cute. Okay, so this one, again, I just Yeah, this is probably a no. I think this like actual boob tube part it's not the type of fabric that's like secure. Do you know what I mean? And then this like this part here is too like low down and loose, like it needs to be like here. And I mean the sleeves are cute, it just doesn't look right. Do you know what I mean? Like it just doesn't, I'm probably just not the model, so it just doesn't look good. I'm just not sure. I think this is probably a no, just because it doesn't really fit me well at all. Next thing I have, oh, is this lace bodysuit, and I actually already own a black one of these. It's very kindly gifted by Pretty Little Thing actually, and I absolutely loved it. I loved the way it fit. So did I get it in the right size? An 8? Hold on. I got this in an 8, but my other one's in a 6, and the 6 fit me perfectly, so I'm slightly concerned, but we'll have a look and see. Basically, it's just this mustard lacy bodysuit. So cute. I'm gonna have to be very careful when showing you this because I do not want to show my whole body. Yeah, and it's thong, which I prefer because otherwise you have some big frumpy pant lines, but I just think it's gonna be too long. This is pure lace. I don't like the fact you can see my tummy button. That's weird. The back is so cute. Let me... Also, because I got a size 8, it's so much longer, which means it's just like less tight generally. You can see everything in this. I actually think I might get the 6, and I could literally just wear nipple covers with it, and I would say this is a yes because I love my black version, which is the same, but it's just I got the wrong size, so it kind of... I don't know. Okay, next I'm gonna go, should I go into... Oh, actually, there's another bodysuit. If I got this in an 8, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Okay, I got it in a small. This is a red bodysuit. Right. How is this a small? Well, I'm so annoyed I'm not going to be able to try this on because you'll see everything, honestly. Well, that's annoying because I thought this would be so pretty. It's like a red lacy bodysuit, like with some skinny jeans if you go out, like so cute, but no, clearly not. Now, these are a statement, right? I have seen these on the website for ages, and I've seen someone wear some of these and they looked so cool. I'm really hoping these fit, but literally listen to this. These are a 6, guys, and they come up to just below my boobs. Pretty Little Thing, your sizing kind of needs to get sorted out like ASAP Rocky. I mean, at least I'm gonna have to return loads of this stuff and my bank account will not be broken because none of it is gonna fit me. They would have been so cool, but they're just huge. Although I'm still gonna try them on and see what you guys think. These do not look good at all. I kind of knew that these would be absolutely huge. Like, look, oh, you can't sit. I wish you could see how it looks on the floor. Like, they are huge. They are just way too big for me. I mean, if they were my size, they'd look cool, but these are absolutely huge. It's a no from me. Okay, so next is this. This is a, basic square neck thong bodysuit. So, again, from Pretty Little Thing, I got a ribbed one, and it was way too small for me, so I had to cut it. So I got another one, and I'm hoping, I just wanted like a basic one that I can wear like without a bra, and this is double lined, so hopefully it'll just be like, that is cute. I mean, it's a bit basic, a bit boring, but it's a staple. Do you know what I mean? With everything, you need a square neck bodysuit, so I'm hoping that fits. Don't know about this one either, only because Topshop sell literally the same thing, like a lot thicker and a really nice material for literally the same price. I'm pretty sure the Topshop one's like £15 and this was like 12, and the material is just so much better. This is just like more of a jersey material. I don't know if you can see, but there's like this seam here where obviously like your jeans or whatever are supposed to go. I don't know, it's like so high up. I don't have my jeans like up here. I'm just not sure on this one, guys. Maybe I'll keep it, but it's just not wow. It's really not wow. Right, I'm gonna go into some knitwear. I've got a real bunch of stuff here, haven't I? A real mix. So, can you even hear me over this? So, for this one, it's called the Red Roll Neck Basic Jumper. Okay, I hear you. I hear you. So, it's a roll neck. So cute, like with a red lip and loads of necklaces dangling down. The sizing's actually okay for the arms. My only thing is, it's a bit of an awkwardly like long length. So, I'm trying to think. I'm gonna see what it looks like on. I'm hoping this will fit though, because I do want just like something different, a different knit. I even love when people have their hair like kind of tucked into it. Is that just me? Look, it's not ugly. The sleeves are like quite short. It's not like life-changing. I personally am not really a fan again. I'm so disheartened. Why does none of this look good on me? Look how much red I have. Okay. On to this one. This is the red high neck frill sleeve crop. I can't actually remember what this is. Oh, this is cute. This is cool. Yeah, if this fits. So it's just a high neck. So cute. Just a little crop. It's very little. And then the sleeves are adorable with like this like frill. I hope this fits cute because I will love this if it does. The material is very thin, so it's definitely not one you can really wear braless, which I was kind of hoping for. But so this one's so cute. I'm gonna have to cover up because not got a bra right now, but it's so cute. The only thing is, if you see, it's literally ends just below my boobs. Like, it is so cropped, and I'm not that confident with my stomach, so I'm gonna have to have like jeans like literally that high up. I absolutely love the sleeves though. I think they're so cute. You just definitely do need a bra with this on because you can literally see everything. It's so see-through. I think it's so cute. It's just so cropped and it's literally just below my boobs, so I don't know. Obviously it's kind of the style of the top, so I'm gonna have a think. I do think it's cute. These are basically some like flared leggings. My only thing is, my friend Lily has these, I'm pretty sure, and for her they were quite see-through, so we'll see. Also, I never even buy Pretty Little Thing trousers because the sizing is awful for trousers, so let's see. So the leggings, let me just show you where they come up to. I literally can't even show any higher, like pull it up higher because that's where my boobs are, otherwise it could go higher. Although they are cute. I don't know, hold on. They actually like are so comfy and they fit so, you guys can't see, they fit so nice on the leg. They're just like chill. I don't know, they're more like PJ like yoga-y like leggings rather than you can wear them out, and I just don't know. I have like a million pairs of these, so like do I need another? Yeah, I think these are actually a success. They're so cute. Okay, last thing, which I feel like hopefully you just can't go wrong with. It's a white hoodie. So, because like I really just needed a hoodie, like another hoodie. It's quite big for a small. Yeah, this is perfect. Just a big hoodie, comfortable. These always look perfect, so I'm so excited to try it on. Let's see. I love this hoodie though. I want more colours. Like, it's just the perfect size, perfect fit, just perfect to throw on with some like cargos or something and like a jacket to make the outfit more simple. Yeah, I love this, and it's so soft. I want every single color. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, some of them were huge hits and some were definitely no's. If you guys like more of these videos from Pretty Little Thing or something like Misguided, Boohoo, H&M, anything, then definitely let me know in the comments because I'd love to start a series on this. It'd be so fun, and I find these videos so fun to film. Although I'm kind of pleased that some of this stuff did not look good because otherwise that would have been a lot of money down the drain. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you so soon with a new video. Bye guys! Bye now.